Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and I'm a founder of keySkillset. keySkillset is a platform with a variety of educational games where you can learn and do at the same time and sharpen your skills in Excel and other programs. We're thrilled to partner with Full Stack Modeler, providing you a customized solution to build muscle memory for Excel shortcuts so you can become super fast and efficient while building financial models. Let me show you how it works. So this is the main menu of the game, where you can find three main topics: commonly used hotkeys and ribbon navigation, which include over 200 of original Excel shortcuts and custom shortcuts that are built by Full Stack Modeler to help you accomplish some frequently used actions quickly. As you go through topics, you collect stars and keys. 1 star for the practice exercises and 1 for completing the challenge after. And you get the key when you collect all stars within the topic. You can track your progress in the top right corner. You also can track your increasing efficiency in Excel as you go through the game. If you take the original Excel challenge, so we can measure your skills from the beginning. You can find a list of all shortcuts we cover in the game using this button. Overall, Full Stack Shortcuts game trains your muscle memory in a more exciting and effective way, and we really hope you will enjoy it. As for now, we will ask you to complete Excel challenge to track increasing efficiency and the first 2 topics, commonly used hotkeys and ribbon navigation. This is a part of Excel Mastery Journey with Giles. The 3rd custom shortcuts topic you can come back to later as you go through advanced financial modeling with Kenny. Have fun, guys, and good luck with your journey to become a financial modeling guru. With all innovative tools provided by Full Stack Modeler, I'm positive you can do it in no time.